Okay, in the previous exercise, we searched the property of a substance and we looked up the pKa of phenol. Now what we want to do is look up the pKa of phenols, and we're going to start off with a quick search like we did before. And we type in pKa of phenols. And we're going to, in a minute, look at this in Query Builder, but first we got to see what we come up with. And we've come up with 5,400 substances, and if I go Edit in Query Builder, I'm going to replace the form. I can see that what we've done here, and we're using the reaction group generics. And incidentally, if you go to the this module, underneath Figure 1 is a link which takes you to the group generics page and describes all of the different types of groups you could do. Now, a GH just means any group with a hydrogen, okay? And so we're going to go back over to the Reaxys search here. Notice now that this could be any group, and really I want this to be a hydrogen. So I'm going to put this into here, convert this to a hydrogen, and transfer to query. Okay, and now and I'm looking up the dissociation exponent. Search substances, and we had 5,000, now we're down to 3,000. Let's say that instead of having any type of group, because we could have any number of groups, I just want one group at any of these positions, okay? So I can now go back to my Query Builder, open this up, and what I'm going to do is use what is called the position variation bond, okay? And the first thing I want to do is remove the generic groups here. And now what I want to do is highlight the places where the position variation bond can be. So I'm going to put it in any one of these positions here. And now I click here, and the methyl group is the default. And I'm going to have this to be any group including hydrogen. Okay, so instead of having any group anywhere, there's only one group being attached. Okay, so now I can transfer to the query. And we had 3,000 before. We should have less this time, and we're down to 1,000, and now there's only one group attached, but it can be attached anywhere we want. And let's just do one last thing. Let's convert this group to just an alkyl group, okay? So I can come over here and I can an alkyl or hydrogen, okay? And now I transfer to the query, do a search. And we're now down to 21 substances, okay? And there's only one group attached to the phenolic structure. Okay, well, hopefully this has given you a feel for how you can do that. And of course, for each of these groups, you can open this up here to see your hit data. And as in the previous case, if you want to download it to an Excel spreadsheet or a Word sheet, you can simply do that by clicking the substances you want it for, limiting to, and choosing your export option as you desire. So hopefully this has been helpful. Thank you.